So we're going to make slime. It's glitter slime. We're going to do 3 ounces of glitter glue. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Come on in there. And you might want to use Elmer's glue because there's a little label here and it says great for slime. And you also might want to keep the spatula over top the bowl so it doesn't drip on your floor. And we're also going to do 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And our next one is going to be 1 teaspoon of contact lens solution. Add more to make it less sticky. And you don't want to add too much because then it will get all hard and stuff and then you won't have good slime. And if you need more, just add it in after you stir it. See how it's coming together? Now you can really start playing with it. And you really have to play with it before it starts sticking to itself more than in my fingers. And there might be a little bit on the back of your hand too. Next time we'll make Play-Doh. Thanks for joining me on Lily's Learning Cast.